So this is the TC25 4G solar trail camera. And like I said, it's by Campark. And the contents, let's see. There's a user manual. Warranty papers. Oh, cool. Comes with a hanger. So that's neat. Got a tree hanger. And, oh, there's a solar panel. It might actually be what hooks to the camera. Lengthy cord. Oh, good looking camera. That's a real good looking camera. Oh, it's got the port for the side for the cable. It's got the screw-in mount on the back. Got it on the bottom. I like it. Let's see what this thing looks like on the inside. Pretty basic on the inside, so let's get the rest of this open and see. It looks like hardwire, screws, all different kind of things. Yep, there's a mounting post and stand for it. Some more bracketry. And then the antenna. Oh, that's where the antenna goes on the side. So, all right. We'll go ahead and get to looking and see what all this pertains of. But very good looking camera. I like it.